The Swarnamali Chaitya or Ruwanali Mahasaya, which houses the relics of the Omniscient Buddha, was built by King Dutugamunu in 131 BC during the Anuradhapura period, but he fell ill before completing the work. At that time, King Dutugamunu's only hope was to complete the work on this pagoda and worship it before he died. However, as his illness worsened, it became clear that this would not happen. Therefore, as his last wish, he expressed to his brother that he wanted to see how the pagoda would look once it was built. Dutugamunu showed the king that the unfinished part of the half finished pagoda would look like this after covering it with white cloth and making a frame out of wood. The king was filled with great joy and devotion. We can still see the place where that incident took place or the place where the king visited the pagoda after it was completed using white cloth. The place is located near the Ruwanvali Mahasaya near the Basavakuluma lake. The beautifully covered stone pillars and still be seen here today. I request you who are visiting the Ruwanvali Mahasaya not to forget to visit this place the next day.